Hey, Sean here from SpeedQubiView.com. I got this puzzle from QiYi. I haven't been able to check it out. It looks like it might be something like a 3x3, but a void cube, but it has the centers. I'm not sure. I've been told by a friend that it's a lot of fun, so I'm really excited. It is designer by Walaber Puzzles. Hopefully I'm pronouncing that correctly. But I love when designers make something and then a major company produces it. I love the way it feels. Like, it's a large size. I feel like this is something that you would give a toddler to mess around with by just how it feels. It's really nice compared to a 3x3. Just for reference, it's a little bit larger. So we've got the centers. We basically have no corners, it looks like. Maybe that's a better way of explaining it. Let's see if there's any corner cutting. So a void cube would have edges and corners, but no centers. This has centers, but just no corners here. So at least we can know how to orient it. Let's see if that's how it solves. I don't expect there's any parity issues where you would have something that would be odd because of corners. Well, actually, no, I guess there could be. Thinking of it, you could have, let's say, what looks like a T-perm, but you just have two edges swapped because the corners are missing. So I've seen puzzles like this where they just take a 3x3 and move the corners, but not like this. This feels like it's on another level as far as the design aspect of it. Okay, let's do a solve. Kind of weird to look at. Let me think of it like a 3x3. So if I do, finger tricks are a little awkward. There we go. Then, okay, so cross solved. Let's insert these edges. No rotations, nice. OLL. And exactly what I said. This could be a T-perm, just two swapped edges. And there we go. So this is called the Tori cube. I should have said that at the very beginning. But let me see if it's available right now. Tori cube is available right now at SpeedCube Shop. It is $10.95, but you can save a little bit if you use discount code SCR at checkout. Thank you very much, QiYi, for sending this over. If you end up getting this, let me know. It feels really comfortable, and it's fun to solve. A cornerless 3x3, definitely something that I feel like I could give someone who's learning how to cube, just as something that's a fun puzzle that's not speed solving, but a little less challenge, but also possibly a little bit more because it looks a little bit funky. Thank you very much for watching. Hit like, subscribe for more content like this in the future. And as always, stop by SpeedQubiView for more news and reviews.